Good afternoon, everyone. So I am pleased to be asked to inform you all today that as of lunchtime today, we are reporting a total of 0 active cases in the community of Sagamok. So this is really good news. We can celebrate this milestone for sure. We can also celebrate the relief that there is no one in the community who is currently unwell from COVID-19. Sagamok community members, you are all largely responsible for getting us back to 0 cases. We appreciate that everyone's attention to protecting themselves and others went into an elevated state. We became more diligent in monitoring ourselves for illness and managing our risks of getting sick, getting vaccines, getting tested when needed, and isolating ourselves to protect others when required. We appreciate the families and extended families who have come forward to help those struggling with the virus in their homes by helping out with deliveries of essential items and in helping with mental, emotional, and spiritual supports for those in isolation. We also acknowledge our community-based pandemic response teams from our nurses who were engaged in monitoring and surveillance, and from the teams who were focused on isolation and food supports. Now that we have 0 cases of COVID-19 in the Sagamok community, we still want to keep our community safe. We still need to be mindful of the real threat of spread back into our community. That being said, our community health teams, they will remain active. Our community pandemic response team, the Emergency Operations Control Group, will continue to meet and manage our ongoing community response to the pandemic that remains very real. We will continue to offer testing clinics in the community, as well as vaccination clinics and other community supports, like our mental health and addiction supports teams, our food bank, and PPE supply. As a community, we keep safe by staying home if we have cold-like symptoms until our symptoms go away. We do ask that you continue to practice this. We keep safe by getting tested if we feel unwell, taking advantage of either rapid antigen testing kits or by visiting our community testing clinics for a PCR test. We will keep safe by continuing to follow the public health measures that we know to protect us, including staying physically apart from each other, staying home as much as possible, washing our hands often, and wearing our masks. Let's cautiously celebrate reaching 0 active cases in the Sagamok community and commit to doing what we can to keeping that number at 0. Miigwech.